new primary members of more than 60,000.
Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi, Member of Parliament, inaugurated 2 newly upgraded roads in Bhoi district today. The roads, including a 750-meter stretch from Umyarong to Laubarwa and 585-meter internal road from Laubarwa to Dongmanai, were improved with a sanctioned funding of 1.37 crore by the PWD Roads Umsning Division. The inauguration ceremony was attended by local leaders, officials and the headman of Laubarwa. Dr. Kharlukhi emphasized that the enhanced infrastructure would play a vital role in the region's development and improve connectivity for local communities.
Layo kini surok long kiji kerku I bersang ikat bala ban yetrei na kabenta ban wanra ikroi kapar jong kisnong kitau lar ko surok kade gawe kan mau ba we president jong ka America la gambo Cloud John F Kennedy wong bagri America kre uspa ki bahag surok kre America dei bagri uspa andre kre uspa kre America war bo bahag surok joki da bahag surok kemot niyo ban kit ki marrep ki mariang ki jongi bat ki bri uspa dengan trai surok kade gawe bat ni snowtenat bat ngong ke baro ko bong ba ruben mane Kicing kerku jong boleh, but ini semua tenar swab bagan boy mau kita kabar tap san post nem, kita balang boleh ni, kita ayo ini surau.